I am right now.
Yeah. Dad. No. How many times does she have to do this? This is from Zeba, just let you know, although I have no clue what it is. Headbands. Ponies. Headbands. Ponies. Headbands. Ponies. Headbands. Ponies.
Nice. How about this one? Let's do this one.
Okay. From Erin.
Aaron got you a gift? That's nice of Aaron. It's really nice of him.
It's fine.
Is that Justin Bieber? That's nice of Aaron. Let's see.
Oh, wonderful.
Aw, you'll have to thank him for that. Let's see what the pants look like. That's pretty cute. You're gonna look good in Justin Bieber.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
What do the pants look like? Aaron must think you like it Justin well.
Oh, that's fine.
That's cute though, eh?
I guess I'll have to like him now.
I guess so. Nice. Cool. What's this one?
Fine with it now.
You're fine with it now? Well, that was nice he gave you a gift.
I know. I'm not getting mad. Thank you, Erin.
You'll see him tonight.
Don't tell him that I don't like him.
Okay, but it is on video.
Okay?
I know you like him a bit.
Fine, I do.
Okay, perfect.
I like Justin Bieber.
Oh, perfect. You got a digital box.
Cool. I got a digital box with something in it, but I can't get it. I can't quite get it.
Here, I think it's this way. There you go.
What is it?
What is it? Oh, wow. That is pretty.
But it said shawl.
I know. I think Grandma's trying to trick you. That is gorgeous. You can wear that tonight. I got that for you for tonight. Pretty. Okay, I'm going to stop this for a second.